Here I have taken an A4 sheet paper, 15.7 centimeter line, and here I am taking 8 centimeter length of the cylinder. Here also I am marking 8 centimeter. Considering these 2 points, this one and this one, I am taking 15.7 centimeter till here, making some gap here on, joining these 3 points. Here on again, here I am taking some space. Like this. Now I have taken 2.5 centimeter in compass and making 2 circles of 2.5 centimeter radius. Here is 2 circles of 2.5 centimeter. Now we'll cut this outline and cut these 2 circles. Now I cut it like this. Now fold on this line and this line. Just make fold. Now make cuts on this like this. From other side also, opposite side also, make the same cuts like that. Now I have made both side cuts. Now apply glue on this fold. Fold it like this and stick it here on the other edge. Now apply glue on the circle. And stick here on. Same do the opposite side. Apply glue. Hold it like this in a round circle and stick like this. Our cylinder is ready.